Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Orange color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color, green color, purple color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Red color. A. A for apple. Orange color. B. B for bus. Yellow color. C. C for candy. Dark blue color. Number 1. Green color. Number 2. Purple color. Number 3. A for apple. B. B for bus. C. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, orange color. Let's try to draw some 2D shapes. Square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon. Square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon, red color, orange color, light green color, Pink color. Sky blue color. Violet color. Square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.